Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today we will be making a delicious meal which is jollof spaghetti or spaghetti jollof. So these are my ingredients. I have carrot, I have green bell peppers, red and yellow bell pepper, I have tomatoes, I have garlic and ginger, I have onion, I also have thyme, curry powder and meat spice with my spicy cubes. So I will also be using oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using sunflower oil, and my main ingredient, which is spaghetti. So I'll be first of all I'll be cutting my vegetables. Yes, I'll be cutting my vegetables. So now I will be adding my ingredients to the blender. I have my red bell pepper and my tomatoes, my garlic and my ginger. I'll be blending it together. Here we have the blended ingredients. Now the next thing we are going to do is to start preparing the sauce. So first you heat your pan, and then you add your oil. You can use any oil of your choice. I'm using sunflower oil. Make sure that the oil is heated enough before you add your onion. You can decide to add your onion in the beginning or at the end, but the most important thing I like to add in the beginning so that I'll be able to fry it properly and make sure it's done. So as you're stirring, when it becomes transparent, just know that your onion is done. So now I'll be adding my blended ingredients. And I found out that when I added it, it was splashing all over. So I decided to cover it. So after some minutes, you will see that the water content has reduced, and you leave it. Do not stir it at this particular time to avoid burning. So just leave it so that the water content can be evaporating even more. So after some time, you will notice that the water content has drastically reduced. So you use your spatula to stir it to aid it to evaporate even more. At this particular point in time, you are free to add any ingredient of your choice. So I'll be adding my curry powder. followed my thyme. And then my meat spice. I'll also be adding my seasoning cubes. So at this particular time, you'll be stirring it to give it a thorough stir. At this time, my kitchen was already smelling so nice that you already feel like it. So give it a thorough stir. So decide to use any pepper of your choice. And also I'll be adding my salt to taste. The quantity of salt is determined by the quantity of sauce you're making and the spaghetti too. Then you stir it together. I off my gas and I'll be adding my vegetable. Why I off my gas is so that my vegetable will not overcook. Yes, so I'm going to be adding my vegetables now. I also added my crayfish. Crayfish is not compulsory, it's a thing of decision. You can decide to add, you can decide to let it be, but crayfish is something I can't do without making sauce. So after adding it, you stir it all together. So I'm going to set it up. So now I'm going to be boiling water so that we can cook our spaghetti. When the water is done, you add your spaghetti to cook.
Always endeavor to stir your spaghetti at one point in time. This will allow a uniform cooking. Now my spaghetti is almost done, so I'll be removing it and washing it in the sink. The next step, I'm going to be boiling water. Now I want to boil water to mix spaghetti. So I'll be allowing it to boil. Now the water is boiled. I'll be adding my sauce. I prefer to layer my sauce when the water has boiled. Anything that has boiled, to add my sauce first. If it's outside, I will layer that sauce. That is how I get it. Anything that has it, I layer it. I don't know why, but I believe that it helps the sauce to get all over the spaghetti. Yes. I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, or if I still have people that does this. I add the spaghetti, I add the sauce, I add the spaghetti. This will on every part of the spaghetti. Yes, so that's my main reason of doing that. So I'll be adding my sauce, my spaghetti, my sauce, my spaghetti. So that's how I'll continue until it's finished. So after adding the sauce and the spaghetti, I'm going to spread the sauce evenly all over the spaghetti. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'll be covering it with foil so that it will drop into the steam so that it will cook it very well. I decided to check my food, and yes, it was already done. There was no water in it, it has dried up, and as you can see, the vegetables are still looking fresh and still colorful. So that's why I didn't prepare it at the first time. I had to prepare it. So you give it a stir, so make sure that the when you see this is dry, it is enough. Then you stir. So I'm going to be stirring it, and the sauce was okay. There's enough sauce in it. It's for salt. As you can see, there is enough sauce inside it, and everything was really looking nice. And also the taste was also nice. so much, and I hope that you will be among those that will watch it. Thank you, and God bless you. So, I hope you really enjoyed cooking with me. Make sure you subscribe. I don't know what's keeping you from subscribing. Make sure you subscribe and also like and comment. Thank you very much.